So how it work? I'm going to explain you in this 30 minutes that whatever you created in the Unity, you can just import it to the all devices within just a couple of minutes, and it's like compatible with the all devices, and you don't need to download, you don't need to do any kind of problem where normal in scenario it takes like a couple of months for you guys that have to upload in from Unity, make the make the content for each devices, then upload it to the each store, which takes around a couple of months, couple of bugs, and couple of description, which we provide you guys with the one click. It will distribute to the all devices. So I'm going to explain you how it works and how this tool is, and yeah, what you can do. So this is the just general overview of our product is normally whatever you created in the Unity, just import to our tool from Windows, Internet Explorer, or Safari. Our product is cloud-based, so you can use it without any kind of download, and it's completely free. And just with the one click, you can see that Oculus, HTC Vive, Google, and Samsung, it's compatible with the all devices, just with the one click. So it's something which is not really available right now in the market. And I do understand a lot of gamers who are really interested in monetization, and they want to share their contents in the Steam. Yeah, it makes more worth that spending a couple of months and do all these problem. But those people who are beside from the games, they are just creating their stuff, and they want to share with other people just for enjoyment. And a lot of students they do the assignment in their universities, but after that, those VR contents is just gone in their laptop or books, and they never publish it anywhere. So really we are focusing beside from the games who are creating the VR contents, and they can publish their contents to our platform, where we already have users from globally, from Japan to USA, Canada, Europe, and they can share their content, talk with the people, and yeah, it's worth it, whatever you created, rather than throw it into the trash. So just a little bit overview about myself. Yeah, I'm working in this industry, mobile gaming industry, application, and the VR from last 7 or 8 years. I've been a producer for the Fish, which is one of famous game in the mobile, then Mobile West, and right now we're developing the STYLY VR for the distribution platform. And I used to be a speaker at the Pocket Gamer Canada, VRX, and some Japanese seminar. And next week I'm also be a speaker panel discussion in the Oculus Connect, and talk about that how we can distribute the contents to the global market, and how we can enhance it. And he's my partner, CTO. He's from Japan, so he cannot speak English, so I'm here to support him. And he's pretty geek on the VR side. He's doing all VR things from last 3 or 4 years, and really he's focusing on that part. So yeah, whatever you want to ask about technical things, he's the right person to ask how this engine works. Don't ask me, please. I can tell you about all business things. Okay, so today what we cover about in session is first of all, what is our product is. And the second is about this feature of our product. Then third, a little bit demo how it works, because rather than just showing all the things in PowerPoint, it makes sense that just run that actual tool and you can see how it works. And the last Q&A questions. So let me give you a little bit overview of this product is. Basically, this is simple cloud-based editor. So you don't need to download anything. Just from the web browser, with the one click, it will distribute to the all devices. And we are almost covering right now 4 devices, but within next year, we are covering around 7 to 8 devices. So it will be compatible with most of VR devices. So it doesn't matter whatever you have a device, it will access to all your devices. Or sometime, whatever you are creating content in the VR, you have maybe Samsung gear, and someone have a HTC Vive, or someone have a Oculus. So it doesn't matter whatever you create, it will be compatible with all devices. So what is STYLY? Okay, let's go for these 5 major points. First, as I told you, it's a no problem. It's a bit cold over here. One is first of all, it's a browser web app, so you don't need to download. And secondly, This product is like no coding, so you don't need to do any kind of coding. A lot of people, beside from the technical background, they want to create some VR contents, but due to the lack of knowledge of the technology or Unity, it's really hard for them. So it's a drag and drop tool. So whatever you want to create, just like a WordPress, you can just drag and drop the sky, building. Already there are 3D contents in it, 2D contents, and the musics, and you can also directly import the contents from the YouTube, SoundCloud. So I will explain you in the further how it works. And yeah, distribute to the all VR headsets. And the fourth point is that it's completely free, so you don't need to pay anything. It's just, put your email address and the password, and it really, works. So you don't need to pay like other softwares. It's for a lot of people, like students or those people who are just doing for hobbies, you don't pay to that much amount for just distribute your contents. So normally, right now, I used to developing the VR contents back a couple of years back. So whenever I wanted to distribute, it takes me a couple of months and the couple of tons of description that how that my content work and where I have to do my content before beta version, after beta version. It's pretty hectic for me. And after that time, I didn't want to spend much money on it, but still I have to spend a couple of dollars for that, then for make account, then approve. It's hectic for me. But after this tool, just whatever you have, within the one click, it will publish to the other platform as well as compatible with the all device. So that is the key point of this product is. And this product is also not really focus on the Unity, but you can also import contents from Maya, Tiltbrush, Blender, YouTube, SoundCloud, almost we support up to 10 formats. So it doesn't matter if you don't have a knowledge about the Unity, you can also use other software and you can import it and you can distribute to the all devices. So I'll explain about those 10 softwares, how it works. And one cool feature about this product is that you don't need any kind of specific computer. You can just use that cloud-based service from normal MacBook Air or any PC, Windows. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars for the PC. Just normal device will work our software. So you can make the VR content very easily rather than really focus on that part and buy the computer, then make the account. Just by simple, you have computer, whatever with the low machine, it's a web browser, so just access it. And even my nephew is just 15 years old, and he's right now making the VR content, and he's publishing to the all over to our platform. Because of course, a 15 years old guy, he cannot afford the good computer, or he cannot make the accounts in this team and publish his contents. So yeah, he's really making nice contents. I'm really surprised that he's pretty better than me. And there are small features and pros about our product is you can if you talk about Unity, it takes couple of hours for you to do the post processing. Yeah, for the if you are making something really good about the product of for games, or it will monetize your product, yeah, it makes sense that you're spending a couple of hours. But if you want to just make it very quickly about the post processing, within just one click you can do it from our software, and it's also multi-device adaptation, so you don't need to care about all the device and the controller, and it also support the multi-OS movie support. So these all things I'm going to explain you in my presentation and in my demo in video, that how this software works. So just a simple outline right now. So one more thing, in our platform, you can directly import the contents from SoundCloud and YouTube. Okay, let's suppose if you want to put some song, you can just simply directly search from our product, search anything. I personally love the jazz music, so you just put the jazz, and there will be all songs which is in the SoundCloud, and with the one click insert button, you can directly put in our software, and yeah, you can enjoy the music over there. And also you can also import the contents from YouTube. It is 360 or normal videos. You can import directly from the YouTube, from our search engine of the tool, and you can put it into the VR space. And this is one more unique feature for the students. Like, a lot of people it's really hard to upload the PDF contents in the Unity. But in our case, like in our software, you can directly import the PDF format as well as to VR space and contents, and you can publish it and you can enjoy it in each devices. Yeah, it's pretty unique as compared to for student purpose. So this is the main part of the 3D models. If you talk about like Maya, Blender, Sketchfab, Tilt Brush, you can directly import whatever you created in the Maya and Blender, Sketchfab, and Tilt Brush in our VR software. And from that, with one click, it is compatible with all devices. So, and even you can edit those things in Maya, Blender, Tilt Brush, and you can bring it to our software. So yeah, we support around up to 10 software and formats. So almost we covered the major 3D models. So this is the post-affecting. So as you can see in right now in my left side, that with just one click, you can post-affect cools effect in your VR space. So let's suppose if you want to do monochrome, with the one click, it's done. If you want to do night, it's with one click, done. As compared to the other software, of course, it takes a couple of hours for you at least. And if you are not really good in it, so I think so it will take a couple of days for you to changing those post effects. But in our software, whatever you bring from the Unity, Maya, with the one click, you can do all post effect things. I personally like, by the way, this Heaven one is pretty nice. So this is the main part of our product is that a lot of, beside from the gaming side, as I mentioned, that a lot of people who are creating the VR contents, it's really hard for them to distribute the contents, whatever they created, to the each devices. And yeah, so with our software, just with the one click, because it's a cloud-based, so you don't need to download anything. Just simply log in whatever you have, import it to our software, and with the one click, it's compatible with all devices and published to our platform. So there are thousands of users over there already who can view your content. They can talk about you. They can share your content. It's also social feature, as well as you can share with your clients or within your universities. Yeah, it's a really good package, whatever you created, rather than putting into the trash or just keep your content in your computer and you do not share it to the publicly. Sorry. So in starting, I explained about this just with the one-click publish button, you can publish to all devices. So, and even the remote controllers are also compatible, so you don't need to worry about these all things if you talk about HTC Vive or Samsung Gear or Google. So just it's a one key point that let's suppose if whatever you created in the Unity, you can put the scripting on it from the Playmaker or Amplifier shader or editor or shader or fork. Whatever you create a rich content, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter about size, how much big is it, what kind of movement is it. It's all right, no problem. So whatever use the scripting on it, you can just simply import it. So a lot of people worry about the scripting that whatever they created, is it support the script for no, or script support or not. So in that regard, it's pretty easy for you guys that distribute whatever you have. And in short, if you talk about our product, what you have right now is post effect, video insert, music insert, VR controller support, multi-VR device support, and one-click distribution. This is the key point. So how you can like import the things from the Unity is like it's a simple plugin. You need to download it from our site, and you just need to put the API key number and the email address, and from that, all things are done. So in my video after this, I'll explain you that how it works and what are the UI. So it just like takes 5 to 6 minutes for you guys. Whatever you created in the Unity, you can import it and with the publish it. So just you need 5 minutes. Whatever you create in your laptop, you can just publish it. So how to upload the contents from the Unity to the STYLY. So whatever you create, just put in the asset file, and from asset file, just press the right click, and there will be like STYLY icon, and press the upload perhaps to the STYLY, and it will be in our platform. So you don't need any kind of technical background, any kind of parameter setter. Just put the API number, email address, and from that, Unity, you can just jump into our software, and with our software, just click the publish button, and things are gone. And if you talk about other thing, other software, yeah, it takes at least for a technical guy, it takes 1 month to distribute your content. So we are really not focusing on the gaming side. We are focusing beside from the gaming side, such as music industry, art industry, fashion, or photos. So if you talk about in the music side, a lot of things bringing from the SoundCloud, and a lot of students from the music industry, they are putting their contents in our platform and distributing it to the all devices so that they can promote their musics. And not everyone is looking for the monetization, or not everyone is looking for the big and hard coding things or technical things. And yeah, feel we have users from the art side. So if you talk about art, there are not such kind of any platform for the VR users to publish their arts. And I personally believe that art does not have any kind of language. So whatever you created, you can just share with the other people. And we have users from the Japan to America, Europe side, India. So it really makes sense that if you created something, you should supposed to share with other users, and they can see and they can comment about your art. Yeah, and photo and fashion is so on. So we already conducted a couple of workshop, educational side, and fashion industry. So if you talk about our student workshop and students around 8 countries and the 21 universities, they are using our software for their students, and whatever they create in their assignment, after that they publish their contents to our platform, so that whatever they spend in 6 months for making the VR content for their examination, yeah, they're supposed to share it, and they can get the feedback from the other VR users or other students who are working on the VR. And we are conducting a couple of fashion side right now, bringing the fashion into the VR, because normally everything were in just 2D world, but now we are focusing on VR, that how we can bring the fashion into the VR, and other promotions and shopping side. You can one of our client from the Japan, they use STYLY to do the online shopping from the VR. So you can use in different ways, either workshop side. If you are a student, you can upload your contents over there. Yeah, if you are making some kind of art, you can publish your art to our platform. We already have thousands of users from across the world. And if you talk about fashion or study program, so it's totally up to you how you want to use. So let me give you a little bit video of it, and you'll understand that what is this tool and how it works and what are the UI. So just give me a couple of minutes, so I'll set it. Let me check. I'm sorry, I'm just making a little bit quick, so our session just started pretty late. So okay, so from this video you can understand that how our product works, and how you can import the contents from Unity, and how you can install the plugin, and how you can set up the API and the email address, and how you can publish it, and how it looks like. So let me start the video, and I'll explain you while I run this video. So simply first of all, you should go to our website. It's like stylysuite.com, and download the Unity uploader. And from Unity uploader, install it. And you don't need to do any kind of thing. Just you need to put your email address and API number. So importing assets. Here. So if once you install the thing, it will be on top STYLY, and from there you can put the email address and the API number, which will generate it in our web editor. So from here, API key number, just copy paste. Okay, done. Nothing more big. Okay, so here we are just making some cube, moving cube, and we are trying to upload it to our STYLY platform. So I just made this video yesterday night. So yeah, I put some playmaker on it, some logo of our company, just put some rotation. Yeah, per second, yeah, something more unique rather than just putting 2D side. It's better to upload more. Okay, here's come. It looks more nice to moving thing rather than just upload simple file. From this cube, just put in your assets. And from asset, just right click and directly import to our STYLY platform. That's it. So whatever you create over here in Unity, just install our plugin, put API, email address, and from right click from your assets directly to our platform, STYLY. It's a web-based editor. It's very simple. It's not really technical things which I need to explain you that how it works. It's very simple, just making your accounts. So it's a completely free, and you can sign up with just email address, password, and your username. So even you guys can sign up right now. And over here, there's an option, whatever you created right now, scenes or create new scenes. So I prefer to make the new scenes. So this is our dashboard, where in assets, there are already 3D models over here, sky, ground, or things which you uploaded. So this is the thing which I uploaded from the Unity. And you can view it, you can move it and scale it. And it's very simple, like a WordPress. If you don't like something, just cross and delete it. And in this 3D, there are already skies or icons and grounds. You can also use those things. And also, as mentioned, that you can directly import the videos from the YouTube. So this is the video area. Just put the STYLY VR search, and you can bring any kind of videos. And you can, while uploading the videos, you can select 3D video or simple wireframe video. Make it back or front. You can also rotate it. You can also scale it. So nothing, technical side. Sky, dust, yeah, leaves. It's already some contents are available in this our platform. So you can also use them, or if you want to customize something, you can also bring it from the Unity, Maya, Blender, or whatever you want. So there are tons of material over here, which is already created. So it's totally up to you if you want to use some already assets which are available in our platform. And if you don't like it, just cross button and yeah, from this cross button, finish. So and this is our dashboard where you can view your all contents which you created. So sign in whatever you created right now in web editor, the email address and the password, and where in my scenes you can view your demos which you created. And it's also control effect, compatible. So you can also use the controller from HTTP Vive or other devices. So things are done. Just 5 minutes video, you can in that 5 minutes video, I uploaded the contents from the Unity, and I also put some things, sky, ground, music from the YouTube, sound from the SoundCloud, and with the one click, it's all compatible with all devices. So yeah, things are done. Let me remove. Let me put a view of our presentation. Let me back and presentation view. So there was a small demo of our product. So if you guys have any kind of questions, please do let me know. Yeah, sorry, we are just running out of time. The last session was pretty late. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just please do let us know. We also have a booth in downside, and I believe that people are waiting outside for the next session. So yeah, please visit our booth. It's in first floor, beside from the Google one. So yeah, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you.
Thank you.